Okay. Akshay, okay, start.
What is measurement? Measurement is the comparison of the known quantities with known standard quantities. In ancient days, people used to measure with cubit and handspan. Cubit, it takes as equal to 18 inches. 457 millimeters was based on the length of arm from elbow to the tip. Handspan, a span is the distance measured by a human hand from tip of the thumb to the tip of little finger. To express measurement, we should know a, a unit which is a unit in which the quantity is measured, the magnitude of numerical value. A unit which is acceptable by a majority of people as unit of measurement is called standard unit. The system of unit was adopted in October 1960. SI unit, International System of Units, a system of physical unit based on the meter, kilogram, second, ampere, etc. It was agreed that the unit of physical quantity should have following characteristics. The unit should have a conversion size. Its value should not change with respective to place and time. The system of units should be acceptable anywhere. Physical quantities, the quantities which are measurable, example length, velocity, speed, time, etc. Physical quantities are divided into two parts: fundamental or base quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities, the quantities which are independent, example length, mass, time. Derived quantities, the quantities which are derived from the fundamental quantities, and these are dependent, example area, volume, speed, velocity. Area, uh, space on the surface is called area, and area equal to length into breadth. Volume, space occupied by an object is called volume. Volume equal to length into breadth into height. Distance, uh, the length of the path. Distance equal to speed by time. There are four system of units: FPS or British system, CGS or French system, MKS system or metric system, international system or SI unit. FPS, uh, foot, pound, and second CGS, centimeter, gram, and second MKS, meter, kilogram, second. And SI system has seven basic units and two supplementary units: additional fundamental quantity, temperature, luminous current,
luminous intensity,
current, amount of substance, plane angle, and solid angle. Supplementary quantities: plane angle and solid angle. Light, light is a form of energy. Light always travels at a straight line. It can travel 3 lakhs kilometers per second, 3 into 10 power 8 in meter second, 3, 3 into 10 power 10 in centimeter second. Light year. A light year is a unit of distance. It is the distance of light can travel in 1 year. Light year equal to speed of light into 1 year. So in one in 1 year it can travel about 10 trillions astronomical distance, the distance from Earth to the Sun. and equal to 150 million kilometers. And the symbols for units were named in honor of some famous scientists. For example, the symbol for unit force Newton, written as N parsec second. It is the biggest unit of distance, and CGS unit of area centimeter square, MKS unit of area meter square, CGS unit of volume centimeter cube, MKS unit of volume meter cube. CGS unit of force is dyne, and MKS unit of force is Newton. CGS unit of energy or work is earth, and CGS unit of energy or work is joule. And multiples and submultiples factors: deca, hepta, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, zetto, yeto, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, zemto. Multiples of kilogram. 1 metric ton equal to 1000 kgs equal to 10 quintals. Conversion of units to convert a unit from one system to another. Steps to be followed: first, convert the given unit into SI unit, then convert it into the
desired system of
unit. 12 inches equal to 1 foot, 3 feet equal to 1 yard, 5.5 yards equal to 1 pole or rod, and 4 poles equal to 1 chain. Force is defined as push or pull. Force equal to mass into acceleration. One Newton equal to 10 power 6 times volume.
10 power 5.
The relation between CG and MKS of volume equal to 1 cubit.
Okay, ma.